Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add or remove manager access on YouTube channels. So have you have a multiple channels and you have give the access of many editors, many users, many managers of your channel. So you want to remove that access of manager on YouTube channel. So how you can remove that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to do that. Simply just going to the settings of the iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just going to the YouTube and just going to the YouTube and just going to the profile section and going to the settings section and just wait, just going back. You just simply just going to the YouTube studio and just scroll it down and is going to the profile section of your YouTube channel. Just tap on channel and just see the option of settings. Just tap on settings and see that there's a multiple options. You have to select a permission for the fourth one option. Just tap on permissions and here you just have to just remove the manager access. Just like that I have that person which manage my channel, so that's why I just tap on that and just here you see that remove access. So I'm gonna remove that person from the manager access. So that's why that's a method you can remove the manager access from anyone on YouTube channel. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.